Ram recently made dreams come true when it announced a trio of V8-powered Rumblebee trucks, including a 777 horsepower supercharged SRT Halo model. Not to be outdone, the folks at Shelby American performed some charming on their Ford F-150 Super Snake, so it now produces 810 horsepower. That sounds fun. Shelby takes an F-150 Lariat Super Crew 4x4 and turns it into a Super Snake. Power comes from a Ford 5.0-liter Coyote V8 with a Stage 2 supercharger bolted on the top. Other performance upgrades include a high-flow air filter, performance air intake, carbon fiber intake tube, aluminum heat exchanger, and Borla exhaust. These upgrades double the V8's output from 400 to over 800 horsepower. Previous versions of the Super Snake had to make do with only 775 horsepower. The Las Vegas-based tuner doesn't just equip an F-150 with double the power and let owners fend for themselves. The Super Snake has plenty of handling upgrades to tame all that supercharged venom. It features King adjustable coilovers, bare-drilled and slotted rotors, Shelby-exclusive adjustable lowered suspension, rear performance traction bars, and Michelin Pilot Sport tires. This being a Shelby truck, the F-150 is visually enhanced with a dual-intake ram air hood, painted grille, a body kit with ground effects, racing stripes, body color tonneau cover, and 22-inch wheels. In case onlookers still can't tell this F-150 is special, there are plenty of Shelby badges. Shelby offers 10 colors: ruby red, antimatter blue, argon blue, agate black, avalanche gray, marsh gray, carbonized gray metallic, star white metallic, iconic silver, and Oxford white. The interior is equally unique with top-grain leather, featuring the Shelby name stitched into the seats. Other special details include billet racing pedals, embroidered floor mats, and carbon fiber trim. Each truck gets a Shelby Registry CSM serial number plaque in the cabin and under the hood. Only 600 Super Snake units are slotted for production, priced at $140,795, including the F-150 Lariat. That price also includes a 3-year/36,000 mile limited warranty.